Hey, my people. Ohanaeze Ndigbo demands 10 trillion naira compensation. As an Igbo man or woman, do you really agree with this? Alright, let's talk about something that has been shaking the internet lately. You won't believe what has just been revealed by former military President General Ibrahim Babangida in his new book that he just launched lately, A Journey in Service. It turns out that the 1966 coup, which has for decades been labeled as an Igbo coup, wasn't actually an Igbo coup. Now, this revelation has sparked major reactions, and the Igbo apex group, Ohanaeze Ndigbo, is now demanding an apology, and not just an apology, and a whopping 10 trillion naira from President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Hey, he choke. But before we dive deep, let me ask you, do you think this revelation changes everything we've been told about the 1966 coup and the Biafra war? Was history manipulated? Let's break it all down. And another question, do you even think the 10 trillion naira compensation would equate to whatever losses we must have had in the past as Ndigbo? So, in his book, Babangida dropped a major bombshell. He stated that the primary goal of the 1966 coup plotters was actually to free Chief Obafemi Awolowo from prison and install him as Prime Minister. Now, if that was the goal, how exactly was it an Igbo agenda? Because I'm confused at the moment. Even more shocking is the fact that some of the coup plotters were not even Igbo. Now, with all of these shocking facts out in the open, the Ohanaeze Ndigbo group has come out strong, saying enough is enough. They are demanding that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu officially apologizes to the Igbo people. And that's not all. They are also asking for 10 trillion naira in compensation. Wow. Plenty money. But I still feel this money is not enough to cover up all of the sufferings that the Ndigbo have faced in the past. And their arguments, the false narrative of the 1966 coup being an Igbo agenda, led to one of the darkest chapters in Nigerian history, the Biafran War. The war saw the massacre of about 3 million Igbo people, including women and children. Just imagine, 3 million lives lost over a twisted story. According to Ohanaeze, Nigeria needs to come to terms with the grave injustice done to the Igbo people, and financial compensation is just one way to acknowledge the damage done. But let's be real, will the Nigerian government even agree to pay such a huge amount of money? What happens now? Will President Tinubu address this issue and issue an apology? Or will this just be another hot topic that fades away after a few weeks? And let's not even talk about the 10 trillion naira demand. Will the government ever agree to that?